really like my key system because when you draw on the floor actually dented.
How big is your key?
Hi, welcome back to another episode of Insights Outside, where we ask people on the streets everything home related. I'm Eliza from Home and Decor, and today we're finding out what people think about smart locks. Do you trust smart locks? Personally, I'm a little skeptical about it. I'm afraid of people hacking into it, but maybe I'm just being a little paranoid. Let's see if others feel the same way. Do you use a smart lock or a traditional lock and key?
Well, I guess I've been using a traditional lock and key for 55 years now.
And there's no issue?
And there's not been an issue, no.
Yes, I have it at my home. Sometimes I will forget my key. Now, when I key in the password, and then I can open the door already.
No, I don't use smart lock.
Why not?
Because I'm not smart. Impression is it's expensive.
Tradition.
Okay, why haven't you changed?
Because it's too expensive. It's good lah. I mean, you can just use your fingerprint. I mean, no one can duplicate your keys.
Actually, my brother's got one installed in his new house. It's the latest one with the fingerprints and then the digital one.
It's more common to use the traditional lock and key, and upgrading it may seem like too much of a hassle.
Try to stop using the smart lock because I found it quite difficult, hard to swipe using the smart lock. Yeah, so I try to use the fingerprint instead.
Do you have any problems with a traditional lock?
Lost the key. And
Lost the key.
I forget to bring some to it outside. All
Right.
these kind of things. I think this problem wouldn't be so common if I had a smart lock.
It's been actually pretty alright. It's just that there's some compatibility issues with the app. So if it's on iOS, it's alright. Android, it's bad.
It's really bad?
Yeah.
No, I don't trust it.
Why not?
Because I thought it might be hackable.
Did that work?
Not for the first time.
Like a waste of time, you feel? Because you have to keep pressing.
Yeah, sometimes.
I experienced once, then the lock no battery, so I cannot enter.
So what do you do?
I use the key.
Okay, so you always have that backup lah.
Yes, I mean it's quite rare lah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, quite rare. So before the battery run out, right? Okay, then they will sound out. Then I have to change it lah.
I like the feel of opening my lock and then the click. I don't trust the technology. What happens if power breakdown? I'll be stay out of the house.
I need to 100% to make sure that it's safe and it's secure.
I don't know how secure it is in the sense that how people can hack into it or can use fake fingerprints.
So how many times has it failed on you?
I'd say multiple times.
Okay, but you're still a firm believer in smart locks.
Yeah.
So do you trust the system 100%?
I think it's a very safe system, especially in Singapore. So everything should trust the developer.
What would make you finally switch?
I will consider in the future. With the lifestyle I'm having now, it's very, very busy. I can't really go and search for my key every time when I need to go in. And now with my studio key, of course.
Yeah. F45, guys.
Yeah, F45 Trading Sunset, Singapore. Yes.
Okay, thank you so
Thank you so much.
So which side are you on? If you prefer smart locks, here are some things you should consider.
Hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Insights Outside. Don't forget to like and share this video and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. See you next time. Bye!